Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger new message not showing. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your phone settings and then general and then go to the software update. Check if there is an update needs to be done. If you have any updates, just do it and then go check if the problem is still continuing. If it does, go to your app store and go to Messenger and make sure that the app is updated as well. If there is an available update, you will have an option to update it here. If it is updated, so move to the next method, which is try removing the app from your device and reinstall it again from the App Store. So simply remove it and go install it again and see if the problem has been resolved. If not, you can try disconnecting your Wi-Fi or your phone data and connecting it again. That might resolve the issue. If the issue is continuing, the last thing that you can do is to go to Facebook and go to report a problem and then continue from there. Search for messages for the problem category and simply explain the problem there. Once you are done explaining, you can click on send and then Facebook team is gonna look into this for you.